Hi friends, I'm Irfan and you're watching my YouTube channel Irfan Creates. This is part 10 of how to make action figure. In this part, we will make covers for clavicles and do some modifications before adding muscles to our action figure rig. So let's start with the torso. First of all, I'll curve these pointed corners just like this side. You'll remember that we made these clavicles before and did not lock them. So now we have to lock both these clavicles. At this moment I can get both of them out. So to lock it, I am putting a strip of paper on the end of this clavicle. After this the clavicle will not come out permanently. Here I have drawn a line on center board and I am going to cut it with the help of cutter. Also I wanted to suggest you that be careful to yourself guys while working this kind of sharp cutters. I have increased the gap of center board so that I can make place for abs. If torso bends, abs will go inside it just like my thumb, which will give us abs crunch motion. Let's move towards pelvis joint. There is a line over here. I'll cut this line so that these two parts can rotate separately. While I'm still experimenting on pelvis joint, now we need a cylinder with height 3.3 cm and width 1.5 cm. After gluing this center part, I'll stick this new cylinder on it. So these two cylinders should stick together and not on side walls, so that torso can be freely bended forward and backward. I'm thinking I should try adding some volume to this pelvis ring. So I'm using this cardboard shape and I'll explain in detail about it in my next part soon. So now the main content of this video. Let's move on clavicles. Here we need clavicles covers lid. Dimensions are 2.8 cm length and 2.7 cm wideness. And we need two such shapes for both clavicles. I am applying some glue on this part of clavicle around the hole and just taking this shape over here. So now left and right both the cover lids are attached to the clavicles. Next is clavicles cover 1. So this is shape and you can understand its dimension with these grid lines. So the cutout is ready. I have taken some paper strips to stick these cuts from backside of the shape and try to match these cuts. Do the second side as well. We have to maintain this curve shape till the end. So friends, as you can see, it's taking shape. Now glue this shaded part and stick both the ends. So it should look like this. Now we need one more shape. This is called clavicles covers ring and I have glued its inner side. We will place this ring on this shape which we had made earlier. Some adjustments will have to be made. This should be affixed to the edge. Also I am giving some extra support with these paper strips to these shapes all over here. Now next we need clavicles cover 2. According to the blueprint my shape is ready and it has to be pasted like the previous shape. Please maintain its curveness, it's very important. So now it's almost completed. Now we will stick these ends as well. Both parts are completed. So this is inner clavicle cover and this is outer clavicle cover. It will go inside the outer cover in this way. Now I am gluing on inner part on the side of center hole and on the cardboard edges. Place this outer cover on it like this. Holes of inner and outer cover has to be matched and it should look like this. I also have a second clavicle cover on the side. Now it's time to assemble both of these. This broad part is for chest and this one is for back. Here also broad part is for chest and thin part is for back. Gluing on top part and on the screws of clavicle. Screw parts will stick in the side and top glued part will stick here. So let's stick it over here with gentle press on top of clavicle. It should look like this. Same thing has to be done here. This broad part is chest and this is back. Stick it in the same way. Now both covers are attached over clavicles. They are actually muscles of clavicle and will work as butterfly joints for our Wolverine character. In the next part, I am thinking to give one more joint over here so that we could bend him from pelvis. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment box and please do subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next part. Till then, bye bye friends.